This is the demo for GAM Engine 3 Milestone 1, the hybrid engine. So right now I have the demo running. You can see I have two animated skeletons, 3 models and a sprite, and I have several fonts printing on the screen. So the last line is going to be dynamic. You can tell me which model I am currently selected. I can change the animation of the model. I can speed it up. I can pause it and it wouldn't affect another one. And exit the demo. This is no memory leaking. So well, this demo I matched the last two milestones, the animating system and the model converter and the model viewer. I put those two together, so I have there's nothing new over there, the animation and the custom models, but the font is something new in this engine, and it is essentially the same as the image, which is the GAM object 2D, the sprite. But also the structure is the same as the font system we used in the Space Invader. The GAM object font, it now has a string in it, so I can update the message, which is going to change the string, and the draw is now a little different because now the width of this GAM object is going to be dependent on the length of the string. So first, the font, of course, yes. The glyph manager, I add XML, the file, which I'm going to read the file and go through it and get all this information for the key and the position and the width and height of the rectangle, and store that into the glyph. Create a glyph node and then add it to the manager. So this glyph node is going to be having the texture. I will know which texture I'm going to use, and yes, which texture I'm going to use, and this rectangle, and the key, which is the most important part, because right now when I'm trying to render this GAM object font, it's just going to get a key based on the message, based on the character in the string, find it from the glyph manager, and also right now I'm taking the GAM graphic object font. It's like the graphic object sprite, but different thing is it's just now I have this swap function. You can keep swapping the glyph and also assigning new positions. In this way, I can draw this draw one character here and then change the positions and just swap the glyph and draw another one and keep going on to this loop. I will just render the entire line on the screen. And so right here, after creating the GAM object fonts, I will assign the string is going to draw the position, and then I'll add it to the GAM object manager. It will going to do the rest, the rendering part. But also I create a font manager here. This is going to take just a pointer to the GAM object font and tell me the name of it. So later I can use the name to find the font node, or I can just go and use the name to tell me which one I should update. When I update the line, which is going to be done right here, I know the line D is what I'm going to be updating, so I just find the line D and update the message. So in the next frame there will be a new line, and that's it for the demo. Thank you.